y'all! Welcome back to another video. First things first, I have a question. Do you journal? And if so, what techniques or what do you journal about? Let me know down in the comments. If you're just starting out, there are tons of different techniques and prompts for you to use to make your experience a whole lot better. And that's what I'm going to tell you today. Now let's jump right into it. The first thing is stream of consciousness writing. Now, if you don't know what this is, it's a technique where you let your thoughts flow on paper. So you're just constantly writing whatever you're thinking about. The idea of it is to write down anything and everything that comes to mind. And it does not need to be perfect because you're only going to see it. This technique is a really great way to clear your mind and reflect on it as well. Now into the second technique, gratitude journaling. Gratitude journaling is the practice where you write down anything that you're grateful for, no matter how small it is. Expressing gratitude can have a huge impact on your mental and physical health. By expressing gratitude to others, it can help you create strong connections with them as well. By doing this technique, you should try to do it every day, but if not, it's fine. But let me know down in the comments how it made you feel. The next topic is intention journaling. Intention journaling is the process where you write down your intentions and reflect on them over time. Did you know that by using intentions, it can help track your goals? But don't get it confused. Intentions and goal setting are two different things. Goals are often specific and intentions are made from values and desires. For an example with the intention setting is I intend to focus on my health, while goal setting is I plan to lose 20 pounds in a week or so. Now on to the next one, which is self-reflection journaling. Self-reflection journaling is a therapeutic process where you record, analyze personal experiences, thoughts, and feelings in a journal. You're also able to get a better understanding of yourself and make better decisions. So if you're feeling overwhelmed or a little stressed, it might be a good idea to take some time to reflect or write down any experiences or things that you're hinging on to make you feel better. Self-reflection journaling is a really helpful practice where you are able to reflect on your emotions and experiences. By doing this and practicing this, it gives you better awareness and compassion. The next topic is dream journaling. Now, dream journaling is exactly what it sounds like. When you wake up from, when you're sleeping, you go over to your desk, take out your journal or notebook, and write down what your dream was about. It's also a really good idea to make the entries really detailed and to date them, so you are able to recognize symbols and reoccurring things. And if you're interested in journaling but you don't have a journal, I make journals of my own, as you see. And if you want one, you can easily go into the link in my description box down below. All right, y'all, I'm gonna wrap it up here. If you have any questions or concerns, let me know down in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next video. Bye.